DVD player for car, that's the box, that's how it arrived. Let's open it and find out what's included with it, with the device, and also how it works. It's right now. In the box we have the DVD unit itself, along with its user manual, and a quick start guide. And then we have the accessory box. In the accessory box we have a headset system with a 3.5mm jack plug here, a very nice looking remote control, some mounting bracket, a 12-volt cigarette plug car adapter, power adapter, a 3.5mm video jack cable with RCR connector here, a Phillips screwdriver, small Phillips screwdriver, a mounting bracket with lock mechanism, and an auxiliary cable, a cable to connect your DVD player to auxiliary video input, video source or audio source as well. And that's all for the box. As for the main units, ta-da, that's how it looks like. Here we go, with the protective plastic over the screen, which I'm going to wait to peel out because of fingerprint. So while I do this little review, I prefer to leave it on. I will remove it really at the last moment. Plus, when I'm going to install that in the car, it will also protect the screen for any eventual scratches and stuff. That's why it's better to wait until really the last moment to remove this protective plastic. But anyway, on the front of the DVD player, we do have some menu button here with the infrared receiver little window here for the remote control. On the bottom of the unit, we just have some vents. On this side, nothing. On the top here, we do have a sticker that says, attention, label side facing yourself. If not, can't read the disc. So that pretty much means that when you put the DVD inside the player, you have to put with the label facing you. That means facing the screen side, like so. Once the DVD is inside, then you are good to go. And on this side of the DVD player, we do have all the connecting ports. It has a HDMI in, USB port, in case if you want to play movie from USB key, you can do it there. Or if you want to play movie from your SD card or micro SD card with an adapter, of course, you can do it right here. Here is your AV out plug and AV in 3.5mm plug, along with the earphones one for your headset and the power plug, the power port right there. And on the back of the device, we do have the mounting system for your mounting bracket with the unlock mechanism right here that will pull out those little securing clip, metal securing clip. So there we go, all good to go. All right, time to test the DVD player before to install it. It's plugged right now to my power block that will simulate the 12 volt from a cigarette plug from the car. Turning it on with the off-on button here. And there we go, right away. It turns on without any issue. Let's put the disc inside and see if everything works as expected. Remember guys, the label of the DVD facing the screen, so that way. Here we go. And hop. And there we go. Ooh, it's a bit loud. Going to put down the volume a bit. The small speakers that are included with this player are very loud, so it's great. It will cover any of your car noises. When you watch a DVD, at least you can enjoy the sound without any disturbance. And here we go, the movie is playing. We can, of course, pause it, play it right there, or you can use the remote control. Another function I like, it's when you stop the movie and then you play it again, it will remember exactly where you stop it. So it has this memory effect, memory function. All right, and this off-on button also, it's the menu button, so you can choose your input source right there. Here we go, HDMI, AV, card, USB. Go back to DVD, and we are good to go back to the movie at any time. All right, DVD player works perfectly. Let's eject the CD, and here we go. Now we can take the DVD back. Hey, hop. Press a few seconds the off-on button. There we go, it's off. Now it's time to install it in the car and see how it looks like, and of course see how the installation procedure is. It's very easy anyway. And here we go. Once it's all installed, you have a possibility to adjust the DVD player. So you can just like bend it down like so, or up, tilt it up like so. And you can also in the back, you can pull it toward you or push it back toward the seat, up to you. But don't forget to lock once you are happy with the position, to lock the back here of the bracket. You have a little lock icon with a little switch. You lock the screen. And that way the screen cannot be pulled anymore. It can still be pushed, but not anymore pulled, and it cannot fall down while driving. So don't forget about the little lock in the back, and then you will be good to go. To avoid, of course, to tempt the thief out there, you can also unlock your screen, pull it out, like so, and then you can remove it and bring it home. You just leave the bracket always mounted on, but then at least you can remove the screen from your car, so you are not risking any window break-in. And then of course when you come back up, you put back the screen there, you lock it in the back, up, and you're good to go again. All right, hope this video has been useful. Thanks again for watching. Now you know a little bit more about what to expect if you get the same DVD player for your car.